Yo. What's good? What's good? What's good? Yo, yo. Okay, we're good. What's up? What's up? I'm ready for all-time highs. Let's go. I've been calling it. You see that dump that just happened at the hourly open, though? I don't know what the fuck that was. I can't even lie. Good day for me so far. Let's fucking go. Everyone in the chat, how was your guys' day/week been so far? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. How we been doing? I done had the people talking, but nobody wanna hear me. Everyone in the chat, let me know what pairs you guys just traded this morning. How did it go? What did you guys trade this week? All right, posted the story. Let's get it. Life ain't well. Last one step it's mentally. Hell yeah, Devin. On to the next. Pair sucked this week. What up, Knicks? This one was a perfect example. Right entry and set up just bad markets. Yeah. I was in a bad buy until it came back down to touch the liquidity just to shoot up. Right? Was it Nas key? It was Nas, right? Because trust me, I was in those too. I'm super glad I did not take a second trade. I was really looking for a second entry. Well, that's good, Key, because that means that we were in a similar trade together. You know? How was your New York this morning? Same thing as Key. I took the same trade. Over in here or something. No bueno. Just trying to catch some longs at session open. Kind of came up, reversed, stopped out, continued. I was watching price play out, man. Not to re-enter, right? Yes, sir. Number 3. Keep it up, Key. Let's go. All right, guys. Well, let's do a little bit of analysis. We'll go on to one screen first just to kind of show us where we are priced in at. We'll start on NASDAQ. We'll come into here, remove drawings. Well, you can see right here, guys. Look at this position. Stop. Needed some last little liquidity. So coming into here, higher time frame. Let's start on like the 4-hour. From this point, guys, we expecting the 4-hour to pull back or continue. I don't know about you guys. We have no top wick on the 4-hour. I think we're just pulling back to potentially lead to a flip to go. So somewhere in here, potentially looking for some sort of reaction and discount to go long. I've been talking about all-time highs, guys. I would love for price to come up. and break this and freaking continue to shoot up to all-time highs, that would be freaking amazing. 30 and 15 minute, we're retesting into discount right now, but you guys know how I like trading within discount. I need more than just one reaction, because what could easily happen is we draw this up, we take the first tap, let's say, right? Like, let's say we just like kind of buy right here. It easily could just go, well, right? So what we could wait for is price now reacting off of this area. So we've come down, come back, and see if we can hold again, form some sort of W formation to continue to the highs. Mentorship, I'm also in the Discord. If you guys want to hop in. I hate nobody talking, but nobody wanna hear me. So yeah, I'm looking at that on NASDAQ probably. If we're gonna keep channeling or what. But that's NASDAQ. Hop over to US 30, guys. Go over Dow Jones. What I would look for on Dow Jones, same type of thing. So awful. All right, same type of thing, guys. Go to the 4 hour. What do we think? We think we're in a pullback or a continuation. You think we're going to, like, we're pulling back to continue, or if we're actually selling and we're gonna continue lower? I still think I already know me, bro. I'm still thinking buys. You know, just me thinking longs. I'll have to think. What y'all think? I guess I'll have to do another poll in the chat. What up, V Legacy? What up, Top Songs? Louis, what's good? All-time high would be wonderful. Bro, you don't gotta ask me. I'm here for it. Have you got a video on how to use the fib tool? Yes. I do. I do indeed have one. How to use the fib tool? Right here. Master Fibonacci in under 5 minutes. Copy, guys. My chat, guys. My YouTube's got it all for you guys. But I have that, as well as, guys, I have a YouTube video I'm gonna drop later today. So make sure you guys are subscribed and are waiting for that. But I have a video ready. I will be dropping today. Gross. Looks like we turned from like trend line and breaking it. We'll have to see. Luca, what's good? AO5Y was popping. Sandrini was popping. How are you guys doing? I think we could get some longs during the session, guys. Clearly in my pillar call with Emmett watching you. That's fucking hilarious. Shout out the boys. All right. So you guys kind of get my sense on what I'm thinking of so far. We're in this trend looking for a balance within discount to potentially continue. We could come down and wick fill a little bit more. London lows have still yet to be tested. So could go down to there. But I think, you know, if you look at that, I don't know. That's not where I want to go. Daily bullish 4 hour. Like, come on. Come on, 4 hour. You guys can see how this candle closed. Everyone look. How did this candle close? No top wick, big doji, rally. Same type of thing. No top wick, doji, hopefully rally. I hear these people talking, but nobody wanna hear. Down 2% on the day. SMH, it's all good, bro. It's one of those days. Like, so much chop. A lot of traders all. I'm really proud of myself for, I took my first trade this morning, and I recognized the market conditions, and I found a second setup I was potentially looking to get into, and I stopped myself saying, you know what? You're just forcing it. You're trying to, it wasn't a revenge trade, but I definitely was like, you know what? You're just like fishing for a trade just to get it back. Like, really understand the markets are really bad. We could take a second one, but it would suck. And that second one would have, actually I have to go look. Where was it at? No, I think it would have lost. So smart. You know, you guys got to know. Y'all think being a profitable trader is knowing when to get in the market. It's also knowing when to not be in the market. 100%. Make sure you guys all like the stream, comment, be active in the chat, guys. I didn't do a reminder on the stream today. I forgot to, what's it called? Forgot to schedule it. So usually when you don't schedule it, it doesn't get sent out as good. So I need you guys all to like the stream, be positive in the chat, and YouTube will send it out. It's a thug paradise. That's where I live. Someone like that, someone like that, someone like that. Guys, can I have some help? Everyone in the chat, all the real ones. If you're a real NLT member right now, put a 41 in the chat right now. All for one, one for all. Come on. 41s. 41s in the chat. 41s, 41s, 41s. Yes, sir. Got you, JP. I also have that other video. That video will be dropping probably day after tomorrow as well. Appreciate y'all for the 41s. All right, so as all of you guys as legit awesome NLT members, my question to you is what kind of YouTube videos? Yeah, Keith's already gone. You got to be active again. Nah, I know it's hard. You probably like watched on the computer or something. But what YouTube videos do you guys want to see? Give me some ideas in the chat right now. Day in the life, apartment tour. You guys said if there's anything about my strategy or like tips or whatever. I have a video this week releasing on how to set up an account. Top songs. Top thongs is wild. Top thongs. Here we go. What up, Rudy? I was just wondering where you're at. Day in the life be fun, brother. Yes, sir. All right, day in the life. All right, I'm gonna record something today. I kind of want to go buy some glasses or something today, so maybe I'll record something today. Highlight reel like a football tape. I just post my freaking high school huddle. You guys know what huddle is? MTV Cribs No Limit Edition. Hell yeah. Do you guys like my spot? For a second, I was thinking about not doing it because then you like it's pretty obvious where my freaking apartment is. But my apartment got hella security, so I think I'm fine. Like if someone really wanted to find me, they'd probably find me. You know. I just watched an apartment tour of your old apartment. Would be nice to see one of your new place. Fire. Thank you, bro. What up, Cypher? How was your morning, bro? Pretty choppy morning. How did you operate? Yo, Luca, what's up, bro? Maddox. Good, G. Choppy, very small SL. Did you profit or what? Damn, all right, guys, this is a good reaction off of NASDAQ. Not good enough for me to want to take the long, especially look at US 30, not even having any bullish reaction. If you guys are asking why I'm not in this, it goes into the W formation I always talk about, that like price did come up and now we've come lower. But what's saying that we don't just come up a little bit and respect here to continue back down, right? So it's understanding that I usually wait for it to kind of come, retest, and if we kind of come up here, we're either going to reject and continue lower, or we could hold within here again, like here, to look for longs. I recognize it was choppy and I pulled a rookie, but I pulled a rookie, still went into the markets, took a fat L, one of the challenges I lost. Damn. Well, first off, it's all good, but it goes into the thing I talked about this morning, like, oh, look good full board on the rejection. I know. I know. Fuck. But yeah, if you knew it was choppy, you know, just gotta know when to stay out. Luke, you gonna trade right now? Yeah, I'm 1,000,000% up. I'm actually not in. Live aim. Sorry, someone texted me. Who we got up here? What up, Cypher?
You doing today?
Chilling, bro. How are you?
Just driving home.
Dope, bro. I'm just waiting on
Yeah,
Nas.
this morning was crazy choppy.
What?
This morning was crazy choppy.
Crazy choppy. That's what I was saying. I was really excited. I mean, not hype, but I was excited. I didn't take a second trade. You know, I really noticed it and was like, because I would have got eaten up twice. So having the discipline to be like, you know what? Not the time. I hear these people talking, but nobody wanna hear me. That 15 minutes, no bueno, guys. I don't like that wick. It's just the 30 minutes. What I like is that rejection. Oh my lord. We're holding the 50 MA. We're holding the 8 MA. Hop out to the hourly, holding the hourly MA. We've already pulled back and hit the 50 on this big wick. Like, what the frick else do you need to go long, NASDAQ? Just need some news? You need Daddy Trump to talk. So, if you guys not know, Trump talks today in about 45 minutes. So that could be it. If we could try to scale in somewhere and it pumps, but on the contrary, we could try to get into some things that he could say some shit that dumps it, you know? Life ain't fair. Oh, I just remember what it is. Bro, I've had a song stuck in my head all fucking day, and I just realized what it was. Sorry, chat. I'll wait for it to run and get it. I gotta go, Luke. I'll come back and watch the trade you took. I wish you the dub. Brother, you're gonna leave me hanging like this? Thug Paradise 2? No, that's the... I know that. I knew that one. I've been singing that, though. You're a G for knowing that one. It's a Thug Paradise. Solid. Nah, what was that one?
That was crazy. All right, I think I got the audio fixed. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you a little bit. Kind of quiet, but...
Okay. All right, that should be a lot better, though. I had him like a massive echo, and it was all faded.
Yeah, no, you're good now. What's up, G?
Oh, driving home, just chilling. Yeah, crazy morning though. That was different. After going to the Forex factory this morning and seeing that really just no news until 4 o'clock.
Wait, say it again. It's not news to 4. What'd you say?
Like this morning when I was marking up the charts and checking Forex factory.
Oh yeah, you're saying.
I noticed that there was no news all day until the 4 p.m.
Yeah.
So it was like kind of hinted at the
low volume.
What happens on Fridays.
Yeah, you're not wrong. Not wrong. I'm just curious if we're gonna range or pump or what.
You asked how I handled it. Usually on like a really choppy day like that, I go in with a small stop loss and then I play the support resistance. And if I see it like wicking off, then I'll play it to the other side.
Sheesh. I feel you.
It's extremely high risk, but that's why I do the small stop loss.
How do you like doing small stop losses? Do you feel like sometimes you get hit out and it goes? Or do you feel like you just need to sometimes with the low volume?
I feel like I catch a quicker 2 to 1.
100%. 100%. I'm gonna fill up this
like
internal.
I'm still risking the same percentage on the account, but it doesn't take nearly the points to get the same 2 to 1.
I feel you. Someone in the chat says, is there any chance for sell? I mean, of course there's a chance. Like, I'm not here saying that buy is the only thing. But my thing is, if I go to the 4 hour, we can notice that, oh, we flipped. Or was it US 30? Oh, it was US 30. So US 30 still doesn't have a top wick or whatever. I guess NASDAQ made theirs. But I'm thinking overall bullish. All we've done is take out lows and make higher highs and higher lows to continue price up. Yeah, and for some reason, yes, we're accumulating, but any sort of like liquidation of lows, I think we're still going to all-time highs. Like, it's just my higher time frame bias. I'm trying to take some sort of you know, lower entry and discount, trying to get in for a pump. We'll see. Four-port Trump talk. I know. I got the Apex challenges. Trump says one word, buy, sell. No, I'm kidding. We'll see though. I was hyped that this would probably be like a little bit more of a volume session because when I first hopped on here, guys, this was the candle right here. You know what I'm saying? Like, it moved a solid 47 points, 50 points in one candle. You know what I'm saying? Like, 50 points is solid. Our whole, you know, more than a TP1 for us. So, I thought maybe, but all we've kind of done is range since then. So I'm really looking to see if we can kind of come down, continue, or what. Here comes US 30. Like, we could try to short up in here, and like, if you thought it was sells, you could consider this the impulse and say that we're tapping off discount now to try and sell. But I'm just not too into these sells just yet. So definitely waiting. What do y'all think, chat? People in the chat, give me some reasoning. What y'all think? I ain't felt this in a long time, yeah. No volume, not every day a trading day. Facts. That right there is a profitable trader talking. That right there is a profitable trader talking. Well, what should we do instead? Nick said he has a song for you guys. He's gonna come and sing it for you, but I don't know what time that is. Beyond that, I don't know. No, I'm kidding. No, I mean, guys, when it comes to US 30, yes, it's in a huge range. You go to the hourly, like it's just like, what the frick? So I think this news coming up could definitely give us a good reaction. Sir, what will XAU USD direction? Going to gold, guys, going to the daily. It looks like we've been doing the same thing where we've been accumulating up in this area where it looks like we kind of came up, came down, tried to push back up, and actually swept. So now that we've swept and kind of came back up, I mean, we still are in a range, but we've done nothing but like break again, and we could be retesting into this to continue up as well. But I would say that there's a chance that we're going to consolidate for a bit until we get some bigger news. But like I said, is today at 4 p.m. Eastern, we have Trump talking, which definitely could lead to some good moves. I did this in a long time, yeah. Yeah, for gold. Wait, so he's talking twice today? No, he's talking today in like 45. Like it's oh, not 45 minutes. I mean an hour and 30. Not 30, an hour and 30. Like 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern. The 4 hour on gold looks bearish though, honestly. We've been ranging, but it looks like we came up, came down, rejected. He streamed from the Oval Office? He be streaming? He be streaming too? How many subs he got? He be streaming from the Oval Office though, so it's unfair how many subs he got. You know? Different. Ugh. I'm just kidding. Probably like 2 billion subs. 2 billion. The way he talks is just funny. $2 billion. Trump will react on WTV. China said LOL, so depending on that market might dip. Woke. I heard Trump view bots. He probably would though. Like during his campaign, I don't know if you guys saw. I don't think it's just him though. I think the Democrats do it too. But like for certain videos, like if they go to a certain rally in some like state and like no one goes, they'll like make the video hella fake and look like there's hella people there. The same thing as like view botting. Motherfucker, that ain't your fans. That's a green screen. No, I'm kidding. For real though. Sir, I'm using XM broker from India. Is it good or suggest another? I would suggest another. This is the best broker to use. The best broker that it honestly is like the best broker I've used, but they just came out with 1 to 1,000 leverage yesterday. So y'all can go crazy. You and buys, what's your SL? What? Where the buys at? And your trade, Luca, are waiting? I'm waiting, sir. As of now, kind of waiting. But part of me wants to get jiggy. I thought I was going to get jiggy till it jammed up. Damn, we didn't sweep, really? We just hold that low? Alright, guys, equal lows created. Gotta come take them out. Did you do a pair yet? And what is the fee? I've probably withdrawn over 6 figures from it already. I've only used it the last like 6 months, 7 months. And I've had no problems. I forget what the actual, there is a fee, but I don't know what the exact fee is. I ain't did this in a long time, yeah. The price action's so bad, like I might gotta give it a shot. Get up, yeah, okay. But I did open up a new account, so I can just show you guys for fun. I was gonna post on my story or whatever, but you go into my wallet, you guys can see the balance is now at 0. But if you go over to here, just off this one account, guys, I don't know if you guys can see the top right there. You probably can't see it. On the top, negative $65,936 withdrawn just from this one account. $65,936. But if we pop back over to the new account, you guys can see I just loaded this new account yesterday. It has like 40,000 in it. I haven't taken any trades on it. So we'll see. I took it on the other account and then I just did a transfer. So now I have a new fresh account because now this account has the 1 to 1,000 leverage. Not that I even need it for this big of an account, but I wanted to switch it up, have a fresh account. So, yeah, nice clean slate. What were you trading in that account? Bro, all those trades were either in VIP, like my group, or on live stream with you guys. I can show you guys. I'll go back over to it. And what does that say? I mean, it's the same type of thing. You guys can see. But yeah, it's cool seeing like that big of a withdrawal out, but I ended up just putting it into another account, right? I didn't withdraw in my bank account. So we're gonna run it up this week. Let's see. Damn, let me hold $5. Brother, what is $5 gonna do? I do not like these price action for the buys. Like, I really think we might hold and continue lower. US 30, we create equal lows. Why the frick are we just buying off of this area? Like, what happened? NASDAQ, look at this previous candle. Like, what the? Like, what the? Won't even cover late fees for the light bill. And you best believe we're late. I'm still making it up. I'm like 4 months behind. I'm still catching up. Ask Mamba on $5 too. Yeah, let me ask Mamba for $5. See, with 1,000, we can run something up with $5 exactly. I don't think you guys even noticed that. I'm way more inclined, like now with the $500 account challenge or something, guys. I mean, still were bad trades when we first were doing that, but I was trading way differently, and you guys know that. But on top of it is now we actually would have more room because we got more leverage. We fuck around and do it at $5 to 1,000, easy. Easy. Or should we just do 1,000 to 1,000,000? Like, no, I'm kidding. I ain't felt this in a long time. It was super volatile when you did the $500 challenge too. Yes. it just kind of sucked. Like the markets were bad, but I also think I was just trading a little too easy. I wasn't being too picky on the setups. I was like, oh, prices, hourly is breaking above here. Let's get in. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't too much sheet into it. If I'm being honest. I'm gonna do a milli to a bill. Sheesh. Run up $1 billion on a broker. That's some crazy shit. Name one other industry you could go do that. I'm not saying it's easy to do it in Forex, but name one other industry that you could just go and fucking just run up a bill off just numbers and candlesticks. Probably take a while. But yeah. I mean, I hope you guys know, like when we talk about how there's $7 trillion traded a day within the Forex market and stuff, like you can take your little billion out. Yo. What's up? I'm on stream. What are you doing? Sheesh. They got you working? I might extend it. I don't know. Technically, like September. Like the end of July. Okay, yeah, I'm just debating if I want to stay here or go to Miami. It's pretty cool here though. Except the sun won't come out. Except today it looks like it's coming out a little bit. June gloom. Yeah, but pull up. What? Oh, nice. Get something better. Get you a lamb truck. What color? No, I'm kidding. All right, I'll call you after. Peace. My little sister. Bro, it's so funny. She fucking well, she goes to San Diego State. She's down here. It's funny. And it wouldn't even affect the market, right? Did this shit just like pause or what happened? Highlight. Let's just do this. Let's go to like the 30 minute. I think buys, Chad. It's stuck at 15-minute opening range. Sheesh. Do you have the opening candle on your thing? Or are you just because you have the session indicator on? Yeah, like if you think about it, chat, we're still ranging in between the New York range a little bit. Like we closed a little bit above it, but barely. Like right when we did, we reversed back into it. Below it, nope, just wick.
Luca, do you think Trump's speech is going to be positive or negative?
I don't know, bro. I have no idea. Do you have any insight on it?
We have Russia and natural gas, right? And I was watching natural gas charts last night, and they were dropping for the price. And then, so also we have these tariffs for China. And if he throws them both in there, it could be very positive.
All-time highs, I said it.
And we're touching that 1 hour high. Like, could that be the volume to push high?
Well, I'm thinking like, yeah, like that's why we keep pulling back, is we've just been accumulating liquidity to like maybe when it opens have one final sweep, but even here is just gaining orders or stopping out sellers or something, or getting in sellers, whatever, even up here to pump it back up when he talks. You know what I'm saying? Run to all-time highs, that'd be crazy. Are you gonna take a trade?
I can make it home in time.
No trading and driving. I ain't did this. No. That NASDAQ rejection, guys, if we would have, let's see, how many points was it? Let's see if we would have gotten in, let's say somewhere above here, stop loss below 37. Yeah, we wouldn't even be at a 1-to-1. Little John. Shack shoes. Shack shoes. Fucked up. Guys, look at that hourly though. Y'all can't tell me the hourly's not bullish as hell though. US 30 though, we could have a conversation. I'd listen. Sheesh, Nas, bro. Why won't US 30 just do the same fucking thing? Come on. Really? It's just one of those days. It's just one of those. 1, 2, 3, oh. I should have stayed in. Why? Where were you in? Where were you at? Nas at the initial entry you marked? What? Oh, my bad. I think you meant like right now. Yeah. Got out with profit? Fuck yeah, bro. Four-hour wick filling a bit. I'm interested in YM. Did these get I just don't like that these held these lows. If this would have swept this low, winner, winner, chicken dinner. That's all I gotta say, but because not. All right, guys, 40 contracts. Let's go. No, I'm kidding. 40 contracts. Check it hourly. I still want that flip. Well, we got 10 minutes. Let's just wait for this next hourly chat. Value is dead right now. LOL prob till Trump speaks, you think? Yeah. But I don't know for sure. So just waiting to see. I really just want like some sort of like beep boop bop. Yo, chat, what's the verdict for today? I don't know. I said buy or sells, and they all said leave. I was like, what? No, I'm kidding. Really sideways right now. Yo, what up, not Meech? Chilling, bro. How we looking? I mean, I'm looking good. I wanted to wait for this hourly, but it looks like we're getting a little push right now. Guys, longs look good. I feel like I'm FOMOing in trying to get in this lay, but if you guys go on the longs above these highs, pretty solid. Hate that we have those lows down in this area. $48 points. So y'all got to think of it like this. Ready? Yes, we're breaking above a high. Yes, it looks like about entry to continue. Where is our stop loss placement? How many points is that? And then it becomes a game of, do you think that price is going to end up here before it ends up here? Because we can call the breakout. Like, it could break out, but does it have enough volume to push 50 points before potentially doing this, right? So you got to figure out, are we doing this first, or are we coming down here first, right? I mean, it's kind of an easy way to kind of explain trading, but obviously you have to have an entry model. You have to have something you're following, but like looking at price right now, I like these. It's just that like, I'm trying to think, like, do I think we're going to end up here before maybe continuing here? I don't know. Because I think this breakout looks good, but we have the hourly open in 7 minutes, which we could just make a bottom wick and then continue. So it's just waiting for that extra kind of confirmation. But if you guys wanted to, up to you guys. Nas, sheesh. Yeah. Amazing. I mean, look at the 30-minute, guys. Such an ugly, like, candle formation. But it is what it is. Can't say anything. What would your name be if you were a drag queen? What kind of freaking question is that? What would your name be if you're a drag queen? Probably Nick. Fuck, I'm kidding. You read twice. Oh, that's fucking funny. Nah, I'm kidding. I'd be fucking with Nick so hard. So funny. He's just like my trading little bro. Have to. Nick is crazy. Luquita, yes, sir. You deserve some Shaq shoes after that one. Hey, I would if I could afford it. Price leave without me. Let's see if we can get a retest. Oh my god. Guys, this is one of those times that you go, Mama maybe raised a bitch, you know? Fuck. Pull the fucking trigger. Bro, what are you on today? Maddox, what's good, pimp? Entry at 29100 on MNQ. Let's go. Made different gaming. I know why they say made different now. Finally getting paid. Long day for me. Let's go, Carlos. Long. What's up? I got a NASDAQ. You guys are fucking legends. I love that. This is what's super good, guys. Everyone just sometimes gets mad about by like, Luke, you didn't get in. All whatever the fuck. Like I didn't get in because you didn't say buy. It's like, you know what, guys? You guys can get in if you want. If it matches up with your stuff. There's people in the chat eating without me. Don't even need me. I can mark up the charts. Y'all can take them. Depends on whatever you want. Oh my god. All right. FOMO kicking in. FOMO kicking in for show. If you're gonna Nas, you're a legend. If you're gonna Nas, you're a legend. Another generational trade missed. Sheesh. Yeah, up 60 points. Fuck. You want to share some? I'll drop my cash app. Yum. Yeah, I know, bro. What the fuck? This is crazy, gang. Facts. Everywhere I go, the only thing I see is bang, 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 bang. Would you recommend a close before Trump speaks? I would say possibly close some of your position and put stops to break even. Also, if you're on a challenge too, like maybe not, whatever. But yeah, Trump talks in an hour too. So it's like if you're going to be holding for the next hour, maybe. But I think that if you get a low entry like this and it continues, what if he says something positive, bro, and you got like the lowest entry for the next fucking weeks, right? Very choppy market overall. Agreed. This is the move we wanted during AM session, though. Just need to wait till PM. At least for me. When did this happen at? 9. These candles are just so ugly. I'd be lying to say they're looking good. Bro, what the fuck? So you trying to run up on me? Use 30 as the play? It's just a little late, bro. A little FOMO. We had it right there. I had it right there. Like, if you guys look over here, what was I talking about? I just... Mama raised a bitch, I guess. Didn't press the buy. Nice TP 20,000, I know. Still a banger, though. I'm out, Luke. Enjoy the rest of your day, not risking profits. Exactly. Good fucking job, Carlos. That's a real trader right there. Not risking profits. He said, I'm out. He said, I'm out. He said, I'm out, chat. I tell him, like, oh, get on me. Guys, remember, new YouTube video dropping today as well. Gonna try that trendline exit strategy today. Let's do it. Go like this. Drop down. I mean, you already kind of caught the impulse, brother. Do something like that. See what's good. Hourly counters opened, yeah, so it could make some sort of bottom wick. We literally rejected right here at these highs. I think we're going for these Asia highs, guys. So, you know, if you're in buys, I would potentially aim for these Asia highs for sure. If we break that, we should be continuing. I've been saying all-time highs. It would be great. I got taken out of this awesome buy because I didn't pad my SL enough, taken out by one freaking pip. No. Nah. Say it ain't true. Would you take swells if it would you take sells if it sweeps those Asia highs? Answer is no, probably not. I'm still I'm bullish on it. When you're looking at session liquidity trades, you want it to have to do with your bias. So if I'm overall bullish, I'm looking for lows to be swept to continue. If I'm bearish, I'm looking for highs to be swept to continue. Do small account giveaway? No. For what? Just randomly? Hey, here you go. Nah. Not right now. No, not for today. Lucas, sell your bath water. Yeah. Luca, give me your Porsche. I want to get it done, yes, sir. Pretty sure you'll have at least one buys, yes. Top songs would buy it for sure. Got a booty ass in the moment. You saw that about Sydney? About what? Sydney Sweeney? Did someone offer her money? No, I didn't see that. Funny. Asia highs right here, chat. Swept. Asia. Not yet, actually. Boom. Asia highs swept now. Asia highs hit, chat. Come on. Stop playing. Trendline exit, going crazy. Y'all are in this. Draw this trend line. If it stays above it, you're in. If it closes below it, outie. What's your indicators? My indicators are 3 SMA, 3 smooth moving averages, and then Sonar Lab sessions to tell me the session indicators. I have the power of 3 on here, but PO3. You trading like 20. Yeah, just trend lines. Trend lines and liquidity. That's it. Let's go. Why is my price on it? Sweet on me. All we needed to do was come back during you know, PM session, guys. AM session was bad. Come back during PM. Y'all know where to be. NLT. Y'all know where to be. NLT. Ow, ow. My screen's messy as fuck right now, though. Thoughts on 30-minute close? What do you mean? Has no bottom wick. Like, it's just, for me, I'm overall bullish. We're too high for me to buy as of now. Not really looking for sells, so that doesn't, so it just sucks. I missed it. It's as simple as that. I have no really excuses or anything. It's just those lows we talked about to the T. A lot of you guys got in and capitalized, so I'm proud of y'all for sure. But bro, this was clean. You want to do a quick trade breakdown, guys? Going back to the hourly time frame, why I've been talking buys this whole time. I've been saying it since we first got on stream, even yesterday. Been moving up, higher highs and higher lows. If we go out to like the weekly, actually, just start on the weekly. The weekly to me has looked nothing but just super bullish and has been. We had some sort of indecision right here and then have done nothing but continue. Now we're breaking the previous weekly highs and we've been flying. Going to the daily, same type of thing where we've just been high, low, high, low, high, low, continue, high. Same thing, 4 hour, same market structure, except we had a nice liquidity sweep under these lows after this rejection to come back up, which to me showed that we did not want to continue lower after this. Like it created like equal highs and then dumped, took out the lows and continued back up. So just going to all these lower time frames, I kept seeing that we were rejecting. So to me, especially with this big wick, I literally, if you guys remember, drew a fib from the low to the high, rejection right into 50%, and we have a continuation to the upside. Right? Trend line break. Overall trend in favor. Discount. Liquidity sweep on the higher time frame. Not bad, eh? Not bad, eh? What are y'all thinking, chat? W move or what? W move or freaking what? W move, yes, sir, Mar. What time is it? 12:10. Do you think 350 cents is higher? Yes, sir. And we have Trump talking right after. You're still holding? Good shit. You guys are fucking killing it, bro. Good job for all you guys who got in. Yeah, I mean, I think we can continue higher. That's the whole point. For me, really to look for entry now, I just need price to be in a discount to look for anything. Right, which is all the way back in here, which I don't want it to come back in there for all you guys who are in buys. So we might accumulate a little bit, but leading to the next hourly, guys, I do think we are continuing bullish. Overall bullish. I think we're heading to all-time highs. You guys will see and be like, oh, Luca was right. But yeah, for all you guys still holding, good freaking shit. You guys are amazing. I appreciate y'all. I think I honestly might end stream early just because I'm probably not going to get into a trade just because I'm thinking about how it won't retrace, and I'm not going to FOMO into buys this high. If you guys think about why, think about it. I already had a trade idea. I'm overall bullish on NAS. The exact setup like presented itself where I could have gone in and I didn't. So what am I going to do now? Try to like just FOMO in once we're at TP3, TP4? I don't think it really makes sense. You know, we already hit a whole 1 to 3, which is usually my target. So I appreciate y'all. W's in the chat. I'll be back tomorrow, same time, same everything. Clean entry though, really great. Yes, sir. For you guys who got in, geez. I might, I'm still gonna be looking because I might go on my own, but we'll have to see. I'm gonna go upload that YouTube video right now, guys. If you guys need anything, let me know. But if not, I will see you guys on the stream back tomorrow. I'll see you guys there. If you guys want to come join the AM sessions, click the link in the description, guys. Come join the WAP to every single day during New York. Come trade with me, and then also stay tuned for the next stream tomorrow. But I'll see you guys. Peace out, gang. Later.